doing? How y'all doing? Okay, sometimes I get a little too hype on my intro, but today we have another clothing haul. Oh, would you look at that? This one is cute, comfortable, sexy, all in one. We have a different package for you today. But for real, you guys, when you are shopping on this website, because you're going to want to after you see my outfits, just be prepared. There is pages on pages of cute and affordable clothing, so you're gonna need some time to look at all this stuff. But I have some outfits here I chose that you guys must see. Sorry, I'm just pulling everything out. Now, right now I have one of the tops on that goes to a three-piece set that I have leggings and a little sweater with this tank top. But first I'm going to put on this super cute sweater, and it is cold out right now. Now this is, I believe, a small. I got a small, and it's supposed to be like a sweater dress, but your girl's gains are real, so I don't know if it's going to be a dress on me, but let's see. So it is more like a shirt, which is why I put shorts on, but it does go down past the shorts, and it's super soft, and it's like a knit, so it looks like, you know, your grandma knitted your sweater for you. But it is really comfortable, and it would be really cute, I think, like, you know, like a summer night when it's kind of getting cold, but it's not cold yet, so you still have holes through your sweater. No, but it really is like a really cute and comfortable sweater. And if you get a bigger size, I'm sure it'd fit like a dress on you, but honestly this was supposed to be a dress. I don't know what had happened there. This is the three-piece outfit. I feel like I can go either wear a cute outfit or go hit up the gym, because I don't know if you guys have seen these. Ladies, I know you've seen these. These are like trending topic right now. These little like cutoff. It's like a cutoff sweater, so then you can see the tube top. And then it comes with these cute like leggings, and they're super comfortable cotton. And it's still, oh, it shows the gains nice and good. And they are long. They go all the way down. Yes, and they have the little tie. Like really comfortable. Like you could, I probably wear this to do yoga as well. And these next pants I'm about to show you, I have an outfit idea for this already, but I'm going to put it on with this top because it didn't come with the top. It just came with the pants and the chain hang low. Let me show you. Okay, so we have these cute like cargo white pants. I think these are darling. And on the bottom, they have like the cuff. So they're like a little bit cuffed. And in the back, they show the gains super. So this was the chain that I was talking about. Haven't you guys seen these? You can wear this like here, or you can wear these like here with like, I think it'd be like super cute with like a fanny pack or something, and then like some heels and a crop top. You guys, I have so many outfits in mind for these pants, and they're really comfortable. And like I like how they're like the cargo like baggy look, street style, but still cup the gains. And I love that they're like, the bottom has the little jogger type. This next one is supposed to go over your bikini for when you're at the beach. So it is like, looks see-through, but it's like a over the shaw bikini ha. No, it's like an over bikini like dress when you're going to the beach, and you need to just throw on something over it and it looks sexy at the same time. So it looks like see-through. So I put shorts and tank top on because of that reason. It has a slit down the middle. And it has a tie in the back. But it's so cute. Imagine this with a bikini on. Like, just imagine. Just imagine. Because your girl can't put anything on YouTube that is going to get flagged because the haters. Anyways, that's a different story. But it's super cute. Like, I feel like I always say super cute. You know what? Everything is super cute because I chose it, okay? That's why I always say super cute. And yeah, these are the items that I got. Oh! I also got this bikini that I need to let them know it doesn't fit properly, or maybe I just can't put it on right now. But it is, hello, very sexy, and it shows the under boob for sure, which is what I mean by it's small. But it's, you know, bathing suit material. And the bottoms aren't too cheeky. They're just regular bottoms. They're not like the Brazilian. But the top is very cleavagey, if that makes sense. Like, it basically covers the nip slips. Yeah, but these clothes are all really cute. I can't wait to wear them. I can't wait to do outfits in them. I will put the links for everything in the description down below so you guys can shop and get yours. And that's all I have for you today. I can't wait to see you on my next video. I love my team, T-Babies.